Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in today's world, lot of us spend lot of time in front of screens, right? Be it computer screen, mobile screen, even big screens. So it's very important that we take care of eyes also, because eyes are very important. I don't have to tell you how much. That is why, like, after years of working in front of laptop, now I decided to buy an anti-glare glasses. Of course, I don't have any power and I don't have any vision problem as of now, but I thought like I should get it this to be perfect for my eyes, and that's why I have purchased this, and I'm gonna open it. So this I got in $30 and it says FDA approved. Wow. This is from the Okany brand. I have purchased this from Amazon. So let's open and see what are the things inside. So after opening, this is what I see. Let's see what are the things they have given. Okay. Test area. So they have given a testing kit also. Okay. And what's this? Okay. This is a piece of cloth to clean it. But this is the actual product. Okay. So I open it now. See how it looks like. Yeah, it's very light and it's gonna fit in me because I was reading the specification. Yes, I have put it on and it doesn't create any trouble for me, so definitely not a problem at all. But yeah, about its performance down the line, I'll let you guys know as things move from here. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.